May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Hey. I said, may I have your attention, please? Will the owner of the Blackstone that's on fire please come forward? Ah, will the owner of the Blackstone that's on fire please come forward? Ha, 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 ha. Why do I have a feeling that this ain't gonna end well for anyone? Why is it chasing a chicken across the yard? This ain't how this works, man. Don't quit your day job. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, oh, oh. Who let the kitchen witch crash this cooking show? Ha, 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 ha. Oh, oh. Welcome and come on interview Chef Sivi's live cooking shows. Oh, oh, oh. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, oh, oh my, oh my, oh my. Heads, pants are burning. Emptied his propane and he's fueling the flames with 5 gallons of diesel to ruin its chances of winning. Ha, 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 ha. Riot of earth, fun and nature is laughing at this crazy scene and decides to use Tiffany to run mass interference zone so he can steal its poultry and replace it with Tofurkey. Ha, 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 ha. It exclaims, this don't smell like basil, as the kitchen witch swap dessert for poison ivy and funny mystical shrubbery. Ha, 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 ha. A dashy dash of X-lax here, a pinchy pinch of tear gas there, and a stirry stir of grated band-aids everywhere. Chef Sivi creates havoc and chaos that finds the unsuspecting soul. She wasn't invited anyway, yeah. Oh, oh, its pants are burning. Oh, oh, ha, 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 ha. Hashtag plot twist. Tiffany plan is all